Chapter 6 Trend Curves. Trend curves react to changes in the tag over time. There are two types of trend curves, real-time trend curves and historical trend curves. To set up a real-time trend curve, open a new picture. Select T from the toolbox and insert a name. Then select the real-time trend curve icon and draw it into the picture. Double-click in the curve to open the configuration box. The trend definition allows users to select the start of the curve window and the tags that will be shown in the trend curves. Select Curve 1 and select a tag from the tag name dictionary. You can then select the curve color. The mark configuration allows you to set the style of the numerical value and the time axis. Set the box as shown and then click OK. You can then see the trend curve in the picture. Save all pictures and switch to view. KingView's trend curve offers ActiveX control to draw historical data curves, using data from the KingView historical database or data from the ODBC interface database. To show a tag in a historical trend curve, select Database and then Tag Name Dictionary. Double-click on the tag you wish to put in the historical trend curve, for example, raw oil depth. Then select Log and Security Zone and set the dialog box as follows. And then click OK to close the dialog box. To define the storage catalogue of the historical data files, select System Configuration and then select History Logging and set the dialog box as shown. Click OK to close the dialog box. When the system is running, the history server will automatically work and save the tag's historical data to the current project path in the form of a file. These files will be saved for 10 days. To create a historical trend curve, select a new picture. Select T and create a title, and then insert General Controls. From the list, select Historical Trend and insert it into the picture, as shown. Right-click anywhere in the picture and select Control Properties. You can use the Curve options to add historical data curves and set the interval for the curve. To add a curve, press Add The coordinate system allows you to set the style of the historical curve. For example, set the background color, the style of the coordinate system, the display format, etc. Historical curves will display the change in the tag as a percentage when percentage is selected. You may also show the actual value. Using the Preset Print option, you can preset the print format and the background color of the history curve. Using the Alarm Area option, you can set the color of the alarm zone. This means you can set different colors for different alarms, thus enabling you to distinguish between the different alarms just by looking at them. The Cursor Configuration option allows you to adjust the setting of the right and left cursors to show numerical values and any extra information. This means you can input not only static information into the editing dialog box, but also use ODBC information to obtain extra dynamic information from a third-party database. This can be set at the user's discretion. Made all your adjustments, click OK to close the dialog box and go to Save All Pictures and switch to View. By dragging the time axis indicator, you can obtain specific times related to the curve and focus on those points. The same is true of a y-axis indicator. To edit the time, click in this box and edit the details at your discretion. Click OK to then exit the screen. The arrow buttons on either side allow you to scroll forwards or backwards depending on which part of the graph you would like to see. This menu allows you to adjust the y-axis to see the data in percentages or its actual value. These two functions allow you to zoom in and out of the graph as required. You can also print a curve or create a new one. This button allows you to set the right end of the time axis as the current time, and this function allows you to set the parameters. You can adjust the parameters in this box and then click OK to confirm. This button allows you to hide details or display them. Right-clicking in the right area will allow you to add, delete or modify the properties of tags displayed. You have now created a historical trend curve.